This is the Deathstalker Scorpion, commonly referred to as the most deadly scorpion in the world. It is a desert scorpion ranging quite widely throughout many areas of Africa, largely in the Sahara, up through the Middle East, and all the way over to areas of India and Kazakhstan. Like most, if not all, scorpions, it is nocturnal and glows under UV light, which is just a cool little fact. It also has the most potent and deadly venom of any scorpion that we know about thus far. It has a whole cocktail of very, very spicy neurotoxins such as chlorotoxin, scilatoxin, and charybdotoxin, named after Scylla and Charybdis, two very, again, deadly monsters in Greek mythology, famous from the Odyssey. All of these toxins work by very similar mechanisms, blocking important channels within the nerve cells, largely calcium or potassium channels, which are very, very important for nerve signaling. The sting is also reported to be one of the most painful, at least scorpion stings ever found, and even just in general, more painful than many, many insect stings as well. Initial symptoms include things like increased heart rate, increased blood pressure, increased sweating, and increased body temperature, resulting in a fever, and later, more severe symptoms include things like anaphylaxis, usually at the result of an allergic reaction, as well as, if severe enough, the main cause of death being pulmonary edema, which is basically fluid in the lungs, which is a space that you don't want fluid to be, really. Most of the deaths do come from respiratory failure via either anaphylaxis due to an allergic reaction or the pulmonary edema. Fortunately, deaths from these stings are quite rare. A normal, healthy adult will probably not die due to the sting unless they have an allergic reaction. And deaths are most commonly reported in children, the elderly, or people with pre-existing conditions such as asthma or heart issues. There is also an antivenom available, which does greatly increase the chance of survival if administered properly. However, due to this being a neurotoxin, there are potentially some longer-lasting effects, even if the antivenom is applied. But this scorpion also has a great medical significance outside of it just possibly killing you. Its venom has been observed to be effective in treating certain types of brain cancer. Now, more research is needed before this is an actual treatment, but it does have a lot of potential.